Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. I want to share with you about a cool product, Pivo. And so I had backed this product because I thought it looked really cool for my phone. I'm really excited now because it will also work with the GoPro camera, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I'll put a link to this campaign where you can learn more. It will allow you to take and make creative GIFs, photos, videos, 360s. It's got auto tracking and more. Again, I'll put a link where you can learn more about the campaign, and you can see it's already got $236,000 that people have pledged. It's got 29 days to go, so January 10th the campaign will end. And as I mentioned, in the updates, they will now have it work with the GoPro. Now, many people have seen the Osmo Pocket by DJI, where it does have that tracking. But this is a very cool product in how you'll be able to. So when you're doing a video and you want it to follow you with the tracking, it will have that capability. So if you go into the campaign, you'll see here, it will show you a video and it will show you how it will be able to track you, and it's got 12 features. So check it out. It's got this kit, the app, and I think it will be a successful campaign. From you can see it's got quite a number of backers, 2,422 backers. So wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you have any questions. When you go to the link again, you'll be able to get more information and back it up. And what's so nice is if you decide between now and January 10th, hey, this isn't for you, you can cancel your pledge. And that's it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.